Defray.
Defray mean. Meet, bear, spend, pay.
Opposite meanings are declaim, decline, refuse, abjure.
Defile.
Defile mean. Contaminate, pollute, profane, desecrate.
Opposite meanings are purity, sanctity, cleanse, disinfect.
Deficient.
Deficient mean. Scanty, inadequate, lacking, wanting.
Opposite meanings are adequate, ample, sufficient, abundant.
Defer.
Defer mean. Prolong, suspend, postpone, delay.
Opposite meanings are accelerate, expedite, stimulate, hasten.
Default.
Default mean. Failure, omission, negligence, lapse.
Opposite meanings are perfection, vigilance, attentive, observance.
Dedicate.
Dedicate mean. Devote, consecrate, loyal, surrender.
Opposite meanings are refuse, negate, prohibit, reject.
Decipher.
Decipher mean. Interpret, reveal, decode, transcribe.
Opposite meanings are misinterpret, distort, confuse, pervert.
Deceit.
Deceit mean. Deception, artifice, treachery, duplicity.
Opposite meanings are veracity, sincerity, truth, honesty.
Decay.
Decay mean. Collapse, decomposition, deteriorate, putrefaction.
Opposite meanings are flourish, progress, growth, development.
Daunt.
Daunt mean. Discourage, frighten, agitate, intimidate.
Opposite meanings are encourage, animate, embolden, inspire.
Dainty.
Dainty mean. Elegant, delicate, refined, exquisite.
Opposite meanings are clumsy, coarse, unpleasant, insipid.
Exalt.
Exult mean. Brag, rejoice, applaud, triumph.
Opposite meanings are deplore, lament, bemoan, grieve.
Explicit.
Explicit mean. Definite, intelligible, obvious, apparent.
Opposite meanings are hidden, vague, unintelligible, doubtful.
Extempt.
Extempt mean release, excuse, exclude, absolve.
Opposite meanings are confine, hold, retard, enforce.
Exalt.
Exalt mean extol, dignify, glorify, elevate.
Opposite meanings are dishonor, disgrace, degrade, denounce.
Evident.
Evident mean obvious, apparent, distinct, conspicuous.
Opposite meanings are obscure, concealed, hidden, invisible.
Evade.
Evade mean avoid, elude, dodge, shun.
Opposite meanings are acknowledge, confront, verify, confirm.
Eternal.
Eternal mean perpetual, endless, imperishable, immortal.
Opposite meanings are temporary, momentary, transient, fleeting.
Esteem.
Esteem mean respect, regards, honor, reverence.
Opposite meanings are ridicule, spurn, despise, humiliate.
Eradicate.
Eradicate mean destroy, exterminate, abolish, remove.
Opposite meanings are secure, plant, restore, revive.